So far, we've been working with regular cabinets, but when designing an L-shaped or U-shaped kitchen, you need a corner cabinet that fits the space and maximizes storage. You can create one by clicking New Corner Cabinet or by using the shortcut Shift+C. Corner cabinets share some properties with regular cabinets, such as width, depth, height, and thickness. But beyond that, they behave quite differently. With the front side properties, you can control the width and depth of the front, adjust the gap between the fronts, and set the number of hinges. You can also define the dimensions of the boards between the fronts. If your corner cabinet needs to align with a pillar or similar obstacle, you can easily adjust the cutout dimensions. Adding shelves in a corner cabinet is also different from a regular cabinet. Corner cabinets cannot have vertical dividers, you can only add horizontal shelves. The option for adding them is located here. And due to construction constraints, these shelves do not have the same set of properties as shelves in a regular cabinet. As with all other cabinet types, the dimensions are automatically calculated for every element when resizing cabinet.